Hello, we are back. Hi. Let me minum air. Hi. Selamat happy weekend everyone. Jom makan warung Ambo. So I makan kat situ sekejap-sekejap je. I makan kat situ 2 kali je. Hari ni nak intai jiran lagi ke? Okay, hari ni kita tak intai jiran. Kita dah habis dah topik kamera. So hari ni kita cakap pasal performance. Hi. Okay. Hari ni will be the last day I akan cakap pasal phone. As you all know, I just got the Galaxy S21 phone. I'll be talking about the performance today. Betul suara pagi ni. I memang sakit tekak sikit hari ni. I sakit tekak. I don't know why. Alright. Okay, so as usual, kalau beli phone kan, perempuan kalau beli phone, dia akan tengok camera and storage. Laki dia akan tengok performance lah, battery lah, dia akan tengok memory, storage. I perempuan tahu camera, storage, tu je. So laki ni dia more particular sikit. So I did some research for you guys. Sikit-sikit je lah. I tak tahu sangat pasal phone ni. So I did some research for you guys. So what I know about this phone, kalau you student, kalau you bekerja and you're a phone person, I prefer you get this phone. Mine is the plus one. Dia ada S21 Ultra, S21 Plus dengan S21 biasa sahaja. Mine is the S21 Plus. So the S21 Plus, dia punya storage you boleh dapat mine is 256 gig plus dengan 8 gig RAM. So storage tu quite besar. Tapi kalau you nak more storage, you boleh dapat the S21 Ultra. Dia ada 256 gig plus 12 gig RAM. And then ataupun you boleh dapat 512 gig plus 16 gig RAM. Tu kalau Ultra punya. But mine is just the S21 Plus. So mine is just 256 gig and the 8 gig RAM. So you tak payah risau nak delete ke, tak cukup storage ke, nak simpan ke. Kalau macam I edit gambar, simpan documents, assignments pun I buat kat phone. And kalau phone I tu kat gallery 40,000 gambar and video tu biasa, perkara biasa. Because I normally do macam kerja mostly dekat phone. I tak transfer kat laptop ke apa. So I need a really big storage for my phone. Nak simpan all the things yang macam kerja ke, for uni ke. I think this is the perfect one. Sebab mine is 256 gig and 8 gig RAM. But if you macam gaming ke, guys kan suka besarkan storage, you can get the S21 Ultra. Dia ada 256 gig plus 12 gig RAM. Ataupun you boleh dapat the biggest one is 512 gig and 16 gig RAM. Blackpink series bila nak keluar? I'm not sure. I thought people buy phone because of the trend. What trend? I don't know what trend. This is the plus version, not the ultra version. So mine yang satu ke bawah. And then bestnya battery capacity dia. Okay, kalau I jenis yang I tak suka charge phone, okay. I kalau tidur I tak suka charge phone because bahaya kalau charge phone sampai tidur. Takut macam terbakar ke. We never know kan. So I suka charge phone pagi before I gerak pergi kerja ke, keluar ke, whatever. I suka charge phone pagi. I tak suka charge phone malam sebelum tidur. So the battery capacity You boleh enjoy playing game, dengan lagu, tengok movie, Netflix. Tak ada hal, tak payah risau, tak payah nak risau nak bawa power bank ke apa sebab bateri dia. The S21 5G dia ada 4000 mAh. Kalau yang I punya S21 Plus dia ada 4800 mAh. So that's quite big. So you tak payah macam nak risau nak bawa power bank ke, bateri habis ke. Senang. And then dia pakai Type C. Also dia fast charging. And then dia boleh pakai wireless juga. So you tak payah nak risau nak charge lama ke. This one dia ada fast charging. Mine is the S21 Plus. So I ada 4800 mAh. Kalau nak besar lagi boleh ambil the S21 Ultra. S21 Ultra tu yang paling besar lah. Dia ada 5000 mAh for the battery capacity. Boleh main PUBG ke? Boleh. Sebab memang bateri dia tahan lama. So tak adalah macam tiba main PUBG, phone hang pula, tak ada bateri. And then diorang ada 5G tau. This S21 series dia ada 5G. The Ultra one, dia biasa dengan the Plus one ada 5G. Itulah kalau Malaysia kan dia tak semua tempat ada 5G. But it's okay. I think it's best for you to prepare now. Beli phone 5G. So bila ada 5G nanti dah tak payah risau dah. So if you guys tak tahu 5G tu apa, 5G ni is hyper fast. Kalau korang nak download ke, streaming ke, laju lah. Tak adalah macam lagging, slow. Also diorang ada Exynos 2100 processor. So dia ada, this is the most Samsung advanced processor. Korang boleh download lagi laju. And then boleh multitasking and also efficient power consumption. And then laju lah, tak adalah macam lagging kan. So and then dia ada super smooth 120Hz. So that means korang boleh refresh 120 times better per second. So bila main game, kalau tengok story ke, buka YouTube ke, loading laju lah, dia takkan lag ke apa. I rasa orang yang gaming akan suka this phone. Sebab memang laju this phone. RAM berapa gig? Mine is S21 Plus. So mine is 256 gig and 8 gig RAM. Kalau korang nak laju, I suggest korang ambil yang Ultra punya sebab dia ada 256 gig plus 12 gig RAM. Ataupun nak storage lagi besar, boleh ambil 512 gig plus 16 gig RAM. That one paling laju, paling tinggi lah. Battery yang I punya ni S21 Plus is 4800 mAh. So it's quite big. You tak payah nak risau nak charge phone ke apa. I rasa normally I memang charge phone sehari sekali je. I tak suka charge phone sangat. I paling malas nak charge phone. So I think this phone dah cukup dah, tak payah nak charge banyak. Charger dia Type C ke? Yes, charger dia Type C. In the box, dia tak datang dengan plug. In the box, dia tak datang dengan plug. So only comes with the wire Type C. Tapi kalau korang beli dengan Harvey Norman, sekarang ni diorang ada freebies, which is kalau korang purchase any of the Galaxy S21 series, the Ultra 1 ke, Plus ke, yang biasa ke, boleh dapat freebies up to RM1,046 sebab korang akan dapat the Galaxy Fit 2, the watch one, Galaxy Smart Tag dengan the wireless charger trio, and also the 22 liter backpack. So 4 free gifts kalau korang beli phone ni dekat Harvey Norman. So dah dapat dah dia punya wireless charger tu. So dalam box tu dia hanya bagi the Type C wire sahaja. Boleh masuk SIM card tak? Boleh. Dia masuk dekat sini. Dekat bawah. Dekat sebelah charger dia. Yeah, it is as good as the latest Snapdragon chips used by other Android phone. Best untuk main PUBG tak? Best sebab kan cakap tadi dia laju. Dia ada the most advanced processor. So, faster loading, boleh multitasking, and then efficient power consumption. Also, dia ada super smooth 120Hz dan korang boleh refresh 120 times per second better than the normal one. So main game memang laju takkan lag ke apa. Also screen dia memang very wide, hujung ke hujung. Pegang takkan sakit, takkan lengur sebab dia memanjang, dia bukan lebar. So pegang memang just nice bila pegang. Screen dia memanjang. So if you pegang your phone like this, still okay, still selesa untuk pegang. It's just nice, the perfect size for the hand. Because my hand kecil tau, it's easy for phone jatuh. So nak pegang phone, so, tangan I kecil, but this one is just the perfect size because pegang macam ni selesa, and then dia memanjang, so it's still full screen. And then dia ada MOLED 2 times display, so korang boleh enjoy the vibrant colours. Kalau main game, cantik lah display dia. And then kalau korang nak edit gambar ke, korang nak ambil video ke, indoor or outdoor, dia punya display still cantik. So dia ada AMOLED, that's like AMOLED 2 times display. Ni time limited offer ke? The freebies was not last. So baik korang cepat-cepat. Hari ni dah hari ketiga. So baik korang cepat-cepat pergi beli dekat Harvey Norman. Korang boleh purchase online juga. Later dekat Insta story I akan include link for you guys to just swipe up terus pergi dekat Harvey Norman. So korang boleh lah find out more information about the phone. Dia ada 3 series. Ada Galaxy S21 Ultra, ada S21 Plus and also S21 sahaja. Kamera dia cantik tak? Kamera dia cantik gila. Semalam kan kita dah cakap pasal kamera. Kamera dia memang ada cakap pasal kamera. Buat video memang cantik. Dia ada director's view, you boleh tengok front view and then rear view sekali. Lepas tu editing, boleh terus edit dekat this phone. And then this phone ada filter terus. Kamera dia memang I cakap best gila. And tak silap I semalam I tengok dekat Twitter, ada this one guy tangkap gambar pakai this phone. Cantik gila, dia punya vibrant colours. It catch really nice colours. Semalam I tangkap gambar awan. Sabar. Awan biasa je, biru semalam. Where is my photos? Sekejap Gallery. Cantik lah. This one semalam I tangkap gambar night mode. Cantik gila. This is during macam pukul 7 something. Cantik kan? It catch all the colours, all the sky colours dia tangkap. And then even though it's night mode, gambar dia still sharp and HD. And then I tangkap gambar waktu tengah hari. Awan cantik gila. The colour blue sky cantik gila. Padahal biru dia biasa je. But then macam it catch all the colours really nice. Vibrant colours. Macam I cakap tadi, dia ada AMOLED display, 2 times better. So dia ada large screen and then dia ada, you guys boleh enjoy the vibrant colours, tangkap gambar cantik, bila tengok screen pun colour dia cantik, pops, really pops. So kalau main game korang akan enjoy better because dia ada AMOLED, 2 times better. Semalam kita dah cakap dah pasal kamera, hari ni kita cakap pasal performance sahaja. I dah cakap pasal design 2 days ago, and then I cakap pasal kamera. Semalam topik kita memang kamera sahaja. So, kalau korang tengok live I semalam, memang kita test kamera and video dia. So hari ni the last live I cakap pasal performance. So yelah, perempuan kan kalau lebih phone, dia tengok kamera, dia tengok storage, beli. Kalau lelaki dia tengok performance, dia tengok battery, dia tengok storage, dia tengok apa lagi, processor dia, display dia. Lelaki kan very particular kan. So hari ni topik memang hanya untuk performance sahaja. S21 back body is plastic. S21 Plus Gorilla Victus. Tapi kalau jenis tak kisah, SN1 okay dah. Betul. This one, SN1 Plus ni, back body dia Gorilla Glass. So kalau drop ke, jatuh ke, dia takkan rosak. Macam I cakap hari tu, kita dah test, drop test, memang tak jadi apa-apa. Okay, dekat lab pun diorang jatuhkan phone ni 2 meters up, nothing happen. Clean. Still flawless. And then dia scratch proof juga. I tak suka pakai phone casing, so this phone just the perfect one. Tak lasak, scratch proof, and then pegang, walaupun belakang dia macam matte finish, but it feels macam glossy sikit. Dia tak senang slip through your hand. And then it's very thin, ringan, so boleh record video. Tak adalah rasa macam phone tu berat sangat kan. It's just nice to bring anywhere. Perfect size. I love the size of this phone, and then the design memang cantik. I suka. Dia ada 5 colour. I choose the black one sebab it's classic, timeless, and it looks really sleek. The black one. I suka gila the black one. But if you guys are more to macam fun colours, you boleh beli the violet. Violet dia cantik. And then if girls, I suggest you ambil the pink white. Sumpah cantik gila. MOLED, yes. Macam mana nak buat live pakai phone ni, tapi I nak explain pasal phone ni. So I kena pakai phone lain. Tak boleh tunjuk phone ni. Kalau charging dia cepat tak? Cepat sebab dia ada fast charging. So you don't have to risau. Laju. You boleh charge full battery dalam 45 minutes to 1 hour. Dia fast charging. Kalau you punya phone memang dah tak ada battery 0%, you boleh charge dalam 45 minit, dah full battery. Kamera dia 4K, yes, kamera dia 8K. So memang lagi cantik. And then kalau you zoom, how far dia boleh zoom? It can go as far as 6 times. Dah, 6 times. And then kalau you zoom pun, bisa nampak clear. So semalam kita dah test kamera dia, kita zoom dekat atas jalan semalam. I intai my jiran. Kalau korang tengok live semalam, kita test dia punya zoom. Memang cantik. Even though you guys zoom ke apa, dia still very detailed and sharp. So kalau korang pergi lecture hall, tak bawa spek, zoom lah dekat whiteboard tu, dia tak payah dah bawa spek. Memang nampak. I rasa Samsung, kalau phone dia, kalau zoom memang nampak clear, dia takkan pecah. I pernah tengok my friend, dia pergi kelas, dia duduk belakang tu sebab dia tak nak kena jawab soalan dengan lecturer. Tapi dia tak nampak, so dia pegang phone, dia zoom, and then dia snap the lecture notes. Very smart guy. Gambar dia lawa, tengok kat Twitter semalam. See? Semalam pun I tengok ada this one guy buat track, dia tak gambar pakai the S21. Gambar cantik gila. I tak boleh lah tak macam tu kan. I tak keluar lagi. I wanted to go out and take some pictures, tapi tak keluar lagi. PKP, so we can't really go anywhere. So far I tak gambar selfie dalam rumah. Explore sikit-sikit lah. Lepas ke kalau nak type message guna sebelah tangan? Lepas? Kan I cakap tadi, it's just the perfect size for your palm. So boleh type, so my thumb boleh pergi hujung ni. Dia tak lebar sangat. It's just the perfect size. I suka gila the size. Dia memanjang bukan lebar. So it doesn't feel so bulky bila pegang. So main game tak adalah lenguh sangat kan, nak pegang tu macam bulky sangat. So it's just nice. Pegang, type one hand pun boleh. Why you airplane mode? Sebab I charge tadi. I letak wifi. Gambar video dia cantik. Semalam kan I dah test. Video dia cantik gila. And dia ada stable mode, so bila tangkap video very smooth. Alright, it's good for those yang macam suka vlogging. This phone is best sebab dia ada director's view. You boleh tengok front view and then rear view at the same time. Display sekali. So kalau you suka vlogging, this phone, I scroll sampai ke bawah tau. Kenapa makeup I smooth je? I sumpah makeup 10 minit je tadi. Sekejap gila I makeup. Sebab muka I macam marah pula hari ni. Saya makeup lagi. Also guys, kalau korang nak beli, I suggest korang beli dengan Harvey Norman sebab dia ada freebies. So, kalau pergi dekat tempat lain tak dapat dah freebies. So dia ada freebies 4 barang yang boleh dapat. Dapat dia punya wireless charger trio. Dapat dia Galaxy Fit 2, the watch tu. And then dapat the Galaxy Smart Tag. And the backpack. It's best that all this worth RM1,046. So beli dekat Harvey Norman terus, beli online, tak payah pergi kedai. And then kalau you guys want to find out more information, boleh terus pergi dekat Harvey Norman. Boleh tengok details about the phone macam mana. Betul, warna violet tu memang colour dia cantik gila. I suka. Something different lah. Or you can get the pink white. Pink white dia cantik. It looks like cotton candy colour dia. I really like the pink white. But I suka phone yang colour-colour selamat. My phone memang colour-colour putih, hitam. So I feel like kalau macam pergi meeting ke or jumpa client, this colour nampak more macam timeless, nampak more classy. Basic colours lah. I like basic colours. Dia ada 5 colour kalau korang nak pilih. Try PUBG sekali. I tak reti lah main PUBG. I memang tak reti main game sangat. I pernah main Mobile Legend tapi tu pun kena kecam kan dengan kawan I sebab dia cakap I main tak pada main. So I cakap okay lah, tak apalah, I tak nak main game. So I use my phone to editing, mostly record video. Because I suka sangat pakai kamera. So I prefer guna record ke apa pakai phone je. So this phone cantik. I can't wait to like use this phone and buat vlog ke, record video ke, edit video. So I memang purpose this phone for work purpose only. To record video, tagak gambar, editing semua kat phone ni. Kesenang, screen dia besar, I suka. No, the 1,046 is the freebies. Total harga freebies tu. The price, I terlupa lah. I kena check balik price. Kejap. Phone tu cepat panas tak lepas excessive usage? Takkan. Sebab dia ada Exynos 2100 processor. So takkan lagging, takkan lagging, takkan excessive usage sebab dia ada efficient power consumption. So you boleh multitasking, you boleh load fast, tak ada lagging. Okay, this phone memang I rasa okay sangat-sangat. Beli the S21 Plus dah okay dah. But if you guys prefer more storage ke, boleh beli the S21 Ultra. Kejap, I tengah baca live. Try selfie. I dah try dah semalam. Let me show you guys one of the selfies. This is a selfie under low light. Tapi colour dia still vibrant. Macam tu. Nampak tak? I took this selfie under low light. Memang lampu dekat cahaya dekat belakang, but it still look really nice. Colour dia vibrant, it really pops. Cantik, tak pernah edit dah. And then dia tak adalah macam kamera 360 punya filter. Filter dia cantik. It looks really smooth. Tak nampak macam pakai filter pun. Tunjuk screen phone terus nak tengok dalam dia, boleh. So this is the phone. Screen dia memang memanjang. That's the camera. So yeah, that's the screen. I don't have that much in this phone yet. Close tabs. Salah pula. There. Itulah. Dia punya performance memang laju. So kalau you swipe ke, laju gila. Sebab dia Exynos 2100 processor. Yes, this is the new version. Dia ada 3 series. The S21, S21 Plus, and then S21 Ultra. The one yang I punya ni is S21 Plus. So S21 Plus ni dia punya storage 256 and 8GB RAM. Post selfie tu segan lah. Nanti I post kejap lagi. I tangkap better punya lah. I tu tangkap abang nak test je kan. Nak beli phone ni untuk ambil gambar je, boleh tak? I beli phone ni memang untuk gambar sahaja. Only for work purpose. Because I rasa macam kamera dia cantik. Video dia sumpah best. So I beli phone ni memang untuk ambil gambar, video. So I can just edit here. And then dia punya storage besar. So I don't have to like buy Google storage ke apa ke. Sini memang dah lengkap dah everything. You can keep everything on this phone sahaja. My sister just buy it yesterday. Oh really? That's a good news. Dia beli colour apa? Seriously, this phone best. Yeah, I know right. I think you guys should give it a try. Plus ada 5G. I wish Malaysia ada 5G. So macam lajulah sikit kan. Tapi tak banyak tempat ada 5G sekarang. But it's okay. Just buy sekarang. Later bila dah ada 5G, tak payah risau nak beli pun 5G kan. Colour black. Yeah, I suka colour black. Out of topic, guna eyeliner apa? I guna eyeshadow hitam sahaja. So I tak pandai guna dia punya eyeliner biasa. Pergi setting display navigation bar. Good. Oh, swipe gesture. Wow, okay, now I know. Thank you for the suggestion. I'm still discovering this phone because this is my first Samsung phone. Not like my first. Dulu last I pakai way back when I was in school. My first phone was Samsung. I love that phone. Pasti hilang. So I really like this phone. This phone memang convinced me to buy. Sebab kamera dia cantik, storage dia besar. So I rasa macam, oh my god, I have to get this phone. And then colour hitam cantik. Colour dia semua cantik. They have 5 colours. But I memang suka colour basic. So I get the black one. Apa freebies yang dapat tu? So if you buy from Harvey Norman, you akan dapat freebies. Akan dapat Galaxy Fit 2, Galaxy Smart Tag, the wireless charger trio. Sebab dalam box you beli phone ni ada Type-C punya kabel sahaja. So kalau beli kat Harvey Norman, korang dapat the wireless charger. And then korang dapat the True Outset 22 litre backpack. Kalau korang nak tahu more information about the freebies, kejap lagi I akan upload story. So you can just straight up swipe up, pergi dekat Harvey Norman. So boleh tengok lah freebies dia. Freebies dia harga total up to RM1,046. That's a lot. Daripada korang beli dekat macam the store ke, pergi dekat Harvey Norman je beli. So ada punya promotion memang best gila. Dapat freebies. Who doesn't like freebies? trying to scroll you punya comments. Okay, I think that's all. I dah cakap pasal the Exynos 2000 processor. So boleh multitasking, korang boleh load lagi laju, and then efficient power consumption. Lepas tu kita dah cakap pasal battery capacity dia. Ada my phone is S21 Plus with 5G. Dia ada 4800 mAh. And then fast charging, boleh charge full battery in 45 minutes. Lepas tu dia ada AMOLED 2 times display. So kalau main game ke, color dia memang cantik. And then my phone ada memory storage S21 Plus. Kita ada 25/6GB and 8GB RAM. So memang boleh simpan banyak video, main game ke apa, dia takkan lag. So you don't have to worry nak delete gambar ke apa. Also dia ada 5G. 5G itulah, 5G Malaysia tak ada lagi kan. Tapi boleh beli sekarang. So bila dah ada 5G ni tak payah risau nak beli phone baru ke apa. That's like I ada certain plan yang dah ada 5G. I tak ingat plan apa. Was it DG? I don't remember. Okay. As I said tadi, kalau korang beli dekat Harvey Norman, boleh dapat all the 4 freebies. Boleh beli online je, tak payah pergi kedai pun tak apa. So nanti I akan include link, you guys boleh terus swipe up pergi dekat Harvey Norman. So boleh tengok details phone tu, and boleh tengok ada 5 colours. So boleh pilih. Dia ada colour black, phantom, silver, that's like violet, pink, white, and also grey ke white, I don't remember. There are the 5 colours. Nice phone, right? Cantik dia phone dia, I suka. Nanti nak swipe up kena buat gaya rose swipe up. Okay, that's all for today. I pun nak makan, sebab lapar. So kita dah habis dah 3 hari session live cakap pasal S21. Yay, so today is the last day. Kita dah cakap pasal design dia, kita dah cakap pasal kamera dia. Hari ni last day kita cakap pasal performance dia. So thank you so much for those yang join my live. So those yang join my live 3 hari berturut-turut, you guys are the best. Thank you so much for joining my live. If you guys want to find out more information about the phone, boleh pergi dekat website dia, or boleh terus pergi dekat Harvey Norman. Okay, thank you. Have a good Sunday, and may you have a great week next week. Okay, bye.